Welcome to the Free Academy. Here we'll learn variables in Python. So variables are container that store value of data. So in Python we can create variable just this. In other programming language, if you declare variable, you have to define the data or data type. But in Python, it while declaring value, it do not need to define any data type. So just type just like this is equal to 5, y equal to 6, and print x plus y. So here here we have x equal to 5, that is integer, y equal to 6, that is integer, and we can also define yellow. So just like this, and here we don't need to define any data type. Means it is integer, this is character or a string. We don't need to define with Python automatic that takes the variable type. So just you run the code and it will be executed. 6 5 11, so it has executed, and we can print this print z. When again replace it, yellow this. So when you creating the variable in Python, you don't need to define types of variable, and variable need to be declared with the particular type, even change after they have been set. So we can here also see another example by doing this. So here we have x equal to 4 integer and x equal to Shelly, that is a string or character. So just run the code and see what's happening. Shelly printed. Here Python taken this last value and not if I again type this print x and save it, run it, it will be printed both Shelly. And you can type first and see another example. Here is casting, means you can change the type of variable. So here we see another example, x equal to 3, uh, y equal to 4, z 3, and z equal to 3. We can we can cast dot this all by typing type string, means we have converted these 3 into a string, and this integer, and this in float. So we can uh, if I print these all, then so what will be the output? X y z. Save it and run it. So here is your input 3 and float. So like this we can cast the type of the variable, data type of variable, and we can check it by, we can also print it by type of, yeah, to check really which type of that variable this is. So we'll talk this about this later. Just keep it as it is and move on. Get the type. So now we can get the type of data. So like this again, just uncomment it and type if I want to check x is which type and y is which type, print type, z is which type. So, and save it, just run it. What will be the output? You can see 3.0. This is string, this is integer, and this is float. So here class string, integer, and float. We can just we can cast when get the type of different value in Python, and we don't need to define any type of variable. Get the type. You can get the type of the variable with type function. Here we have examples. So uncomment it and see how really this happens. X equal to 5, name equal to ram, and now and number equal to 40.4. Now we can check the type, what type of data this is. So just type print type x, y, and z. After all, save it and print. Run the command. Y is not, yeah, y is not declared because we have name and another is number. The we have one must be a string, not int. New argument must be a string, not int. Here we have some problem, so I just retype this print name, print type name, again print type number. Save it and see what the error it is showing. So no error. And here it's integer. First is integer, type x is integer, and another is a string, and another one number is float. We have seen the example how we can get the type of data we have, and variable we can, here is the variable names. In Python we can, there are certain rules for defining variable names. So means you can just define variable names with name, capital name, capital letter, mm, capital letter with underscore. You can even type a nay this, but in Python we can type this type of data, but we can type like 3 to ABC equal to J like this, and we can even type like this. If you we type this will be wrong. And case sensitivity in Python also case sensitive language. So when the capital and the small is different, the value. So here check for check we can check it, name apple, and another will be banana. And if we print both, print a and print a, these two will be different. If we'll execute this, see the difference. First of all, here we have name hello, and we have just comment it, and this also for now, and check the here. First of all, check here what we will get the output. And now we have nothing in output because we don't have print this, and even no any error. If I print all name, address, even we can keep a space here, address, it, it dash, and oh, name this. Like we can print all this and we'll get no error. Yeah, we have got an error, and the error is 05. Address is not defined. Do you mean address? Oh, the ATTR is. So I have already told you the Python is case sensitive means here is small a and here is capital A. So these two are different, and I need to correct it. I just ATTR address If I correct this and now save run. Oh, again another input. Here we have also a problem means now see, yeah, we have output hello hi abcjfl, hello hi abcjfl, and these all are different type of variable name, and Python take this all names, but here if we we run this these true, there will be error because Python takes variable output variable name as character capital small underscore and norm after underscore or norm after capital or character like this. So if we directly use number or even we type this, if we use this, it will be also so wrong error because Python don't allow to use this. So again, run if you run this invalid imaginary literal. Python don't allow this to write as a variable name. So and here we have about case sensitive. Python is case sensitive means if case sensitive here a equal to APPLA and capital A equal to banana. Print A as well as print capital A. Both will work because both A and capital A will be work because apple and banana. So Python is case sensitive. Every letter has can be different meaning. And now another see another example main value is multiple variable. We can also keep many values in multiple variables. Just as example, we have here. So remove it and see what is really many variables just like I have x y z are equal to apple mango banana, and we have this, and if you print x print y and print z, control save and run it, we have apple mango banana, and this is called multiple variables. So we can define many variable and all value at the same place. Uh, and we can use whatever or whenever we want. It means if I print x here at the below, what we have defined x in the front. So and if I run, this will be run, no error. And as like this, we can define multiple variables in same time And see another example, we have one value to multiple variable. Means we can also add only one value and do different variables. See this example for man. One value to multiple variables. So here we have x equal to y equal to z. X equal to y equal to z. And we have value, only one value, that is nation. If we print x, we'll get our nation. If we print z, we'll get same value as nation. Means we can also add many variables uh, for the same value, but and we can also change the type of variable of same value. So like print, and we have x. So I am changing x value of x into integer, and here we have float, yeah, z, and see what is happening in output. And we have problem because we have this nation. This can so use because we have used here character, and we are trying to convert that character into integer, and character cannot be converted into integer. So change the value and see, this is integer and this is float. We have converted string into integer and float. Even we can convert it into character string. So z, and see what is the output we can get. String is not different. Forget import a string. So eh, we just type str and save, run it. Wow. Here we have 10, that is a string. So we can define same value in multiple variable, but and we can also define in we can also uh, and change the type of variable in different type. So variable type in different. And now see another example, we have unpack collection. If you have collection of values, list, tuple, it is a Python allow you to extract the value into variables. This is called unpacking. Means we have fruits, apple, banana, cherry, and x, y, z equal to fruits. So we can extract all into variable. Means we have a container naming fruits, and in that container we have apple, banana, mango, and we want to separate it by different variables. So we can define many variables and one value. So here we have used just like this, many variable and one value. So we have used this float as a value here. means when we execute this, from the explode x will be take one value. We have three value, so one value will be taken to the x, and another will be y, and another will be y. So we have taken fruits as a value, and when we print x, print y, and print z, we'll get something like this. Yeah, apple, banana, mango. So this is called unpacking. We can take all values as a dictionary value or list value as a variable value, single variable value, and output variable. And uh, if here we have output with the print function is often used to output variables, means we have x equal to this is message mess uh, this is something text. If we print this text, we can print easily. We don't need to worry about, and we can print this is something. But in Python we can also use plus operator to output multiple variable. So just define Python. In Python we can use multiple variables for different string. So here we have a equal to Python, b equal to each, and another we have c equal to good. And if we print this a plus b, we have a small b, so b small b plus c. If we print all, it will be output what abc constant tuple a string setup. So this is why we have to print like we can add all this by a plus b plus c, like this. If we print just c again, x equal to Python, we have x equal to Python and y equal to is and z equal to good. So whenever I print this x y z control s execute, this is something text is good. If just comment it, control s, and now run it again. X is not defined. Did you mean X? Here we have capital X. So Python is good. Now it's running, and we can concat it, and even we can add a space by adding something like plus this. Let's try what is happening. Invalid. This is if this is invalid, we can like this. We can test many other values. So here is leave it. Now, we'll learn it more about it later. So what is global? Now we'll learn this more in next lecture. So thanks for watching.